Hi, and welcome to the Piecesanspermis workshop. I'm Julien, and today I'm going to show you how to replace your brake pads. Before propping up your car, loosen the lug nuts on your tyre. Position your jack under the car in the correct jack point. Once you've lifted your car, you can position the jack stands. You can now remove the jack. Now finish removing the lug nuts completely. Remove the tyre. Place it under the car as an additional safety measure. Remove the brake wear indicator. Unwrap your new brake pads. With a hammer and a screwdriver, remove the axles from the pads. Now remove the old brake pads. Loosen the calipers and take this opportunity to clean them with the brake cleaner or degreaser. Now put your new brake pads in. Plug in the new brake wear indicator. Turn the hub by hand to make sure the disc doesn't rub against your new brake pads. Place your tyre back on and fasten the lug nuts. Reposition your jack under your car to remove your jack stands. Use a ratchet to tighten the lug nuts on the tyre as much as possible. Go for a short drive to test your brakes, for instance on a straight road, to be sure they work. See you soon for more tutorials in the Piecesanspermis workshop.